Hi everyone, I'm going to do egg rolls for this morning. Let's see the ingredients. Bowl of 5 layers of fried eggs, 1000 egg, chili sauce, tomato slices, knife. We have to roll these fried eggs like this. Okay, now we have to cut this egg roll into slices. Okay, let's put this egg roll into a plate. Okay, now egg roll is prepared. Let's add some tomato slices. Okay, now want to add some chili sauce in the middle. Add 1000 egg. Okay, now egg roll is done.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you a simple chicken dish. It's called grilled chicken. Okay, for healthy section, then I'm going to put olive oil, garlic powder, mixed herbs and parsley leaves. The third one is I'm using the black pepper. Just the add-on because I want the chicken to taste a bit of sweet. I believe if you use the brown sugar, it will make your chicken tastier and it is much healthier than white sugar. After you put the chicken into the pan, now it's time to grill them. So follow me. After the oven has been heated, I'm going to set the timer for this chicken grill for at least 30 minutes. And the temperature will set to 200 because I want to make sure the chicken is tender and juicy. And I want it to overheat or overcook with using more than 200. The benefit is still in there if you don't cook much, or I say overcook. It will lose the benefit of the vegetables if you cook too long. So better if you just soak it with hot water.
Today we're gonna make mocha square. The first ingredient is 250 grams of sugar. Second is 150 grams of melted butter. 30 grams of cocoa powder, 270 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 ml of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And the last ingredient is 4 eggs. For the first step, we're gonna sieve all-purpose flour. We're gonna mix it with cocoa powder and baking powder. Whip the sugar, 4 eggs, and vanilla essence together. After the egg mixture is beaten until it's light and fluffy, we're gonna add the flour a little bit at a time. After the mixture is smooth, we're gonna add butter, and milk. Then we're gonna pour the mixture into the baking pan. Okay, now it's ready to bake, and we're gonna put it in the oven for 25 minutes. And now our mocha square is done.
Hi, today we're going to do stuffed egg bread for dinner.
3.
Okay, let's see what are the ingredients. This is breadcrumbs and bread, beaten egg, fried egg and sauce. Okay, first we must take a bread and let it here, and then take a fried egg and put it here, then take some sauce and okay, again take another bread and put it up here at the bottom, and then take a round shape of it and press it.
3.
Okay, at last we get the round shape, and then now put it into the beaten egg and then roll it in the breadcrumbs. Now on the stove and heat up the oil.
3.
Okay, now let's fry the bread. Fry the one side for 1 minute and then turn into another side. This is the item which I told to the dinner.
Hi, so for today's video, I'm going to cook potato cheese sticks for our supper, and we need 3 ingredients, which is cheese, potato and cornstarch. So the first thing is we cut the potato into cubes, like so. Yes, and then we boil the water. We boil the water and boil the potato until it's soft. Okay, when the potato are soft, we mash it like this until it's soft, until it mash all together. And then we can add all the other ingredients. We can add salt, pepper, cornstarch and cheese, and then we mix it and we shape and cut the cheese stick on what we like, and then we fry it. Okay, so this is the final look of my potato cheese sticks, and tonight I choose to air fry it rather than using the oil because it is much more healthier. So yeah, I hope that you can try this at home as your supper menus, and that's all for me. Thank you.